In this video, we're going to look at what bodyweight exercises are with reformer workouts. So the easiest way to identify a bodyweight exercise is any exercise in which you have decreasing levels of spring tension. For example, here we've got the medium for level 1, light level 2, we've got no spring level 3. Decreasing spring tension tells us that if less tension is harder, that means that less support from the springs is harder. That means we're using the weight of the body to load these muscle groups. And as you take away the support, you have to work harder to support yourself. Every single exercise you see that has decreasing spring levels tells you body weight is the real challenge. Now with the bodyweight exercise, intention is important because we want to use the weight of the body to force a muscle group to work. For example, if you're doing a lunge, leaning forward forces the front leg to support you. That's how we target the glutes. Or if you're doing a plank, getting that little bit of a round through the lower back and loading up the abdominals is how we focus the body weight on the abdominals. So body position is important, and then understanding the relationship between the support of the springs is also important. So if someone is capable of doing an exercise with the medium spring, it's very easy for us to make it harder purely by looking at the spring load, by letting them do the same thing with less support. So as your clients improve, it's easy for us to scale the load. And scaling the load here means that we expose them to more of their own mass. We give them less support. So another way to think about this in fitness terminology would be, imagine if you're doing pull-ups at the gym and you've got a bar and you attach to the bar an elastic band with traps under your feet. And it's assisting you doing a pull-up. So the medium spring tension would be like a thick elastic band, which is very supportive, which is kind of helping you do the pull-up. Now, if we want to make it harder, we could replace the thick band with a thinner band, which would give you less assistance doing the pull-up, which would make it harder now. And if you wanted to make it even harder, we could take the band away and it's just you versus gravity with the pull-up. And that's exactly how the spring levels would work with a bodyweight exercise.